Hello YouTube. Right, something different today. I'm about to set off for York for a long weekend. Supposed to be going up there tomorrow. We've got a campsite booked. However, today we're just going to wing it. So I've just got back from work, quick shower, about to sit up there and hopefully find somewhere to stay tonight and do a bit of a wild camp. Fingers crossed. Otherwise it's just going to be a Tesco car park or something. Anyway, come along for the adventure. And the Joneses are off on their adventures! So we found this place, nice little pub called the Wheat Sheaf. Landlady's happy for you to park in the car park as long as you buy some beers or some food. Great hospitality and a cheap place to stay. Winner. Good morning guys. Right, it's the morning of the Friday, bank holiday weekend. The gamble paid off last night, so we drove up here quite late. Managed to find a pub car park in, what's it called? Sherburn in Elmet. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, the gamble paid off. We found a nice little pub car park. Landlady's happy for you to stay in there with your camper van as long as you buy some food or drink. So went in there, bought around the drinks. She even threw on some free pizzas for us, which was good. So that's what we called, don't know if you can see that sign there, Sherburn in Elmet. But yeah, nice cheap little stay and good company in the pub. Winner. So we've found a nice little boat trip to go on. when you stayed in the pub too long and it's miles back to the van. So we've just got back to the campsite. It was way too far to the pub. It's 8:10, still not had tea, not had a wash, but it's been fun. Yum yum. And here's home for the night, guys. Look at that sunset. And here's the beast.